Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our 10.25-inch Android in a BMW 2 Series and it's 2017. It's a 230i and it didn't come with backup camera. That's where we put the backup camera, replacing trunk handle. And also we did the Apple CarPlay. Right now it's on Apple CarPlay mode, so technically it connects that to my iPhone, and I can control my phone from the screen to go to the apps or go to phone or any other stuff. I can use the iDrive knob too to scroll left and right, up and down on the menu too, and by going to car it goes to the ID6 menu of aftermarket unit. Backup camera is there with dynamic parking guidelines. We already explained everything on the other videos that we have, so I don't want to keep talking about these units, and I'm gonna go back to factory mode. The screen in this car was a small screen, like a 6.5-inch screen, so right now it gets 10.25 and it fits perfectly fine here, no problem. If you're interested to get these type of units for your BMW 2 Series, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can order them online at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.